In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on gear 1 instead. Select the voice typing here and use this switcher to activate it. When it's blue, go back and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone to turn it on or off. Now my favorite part. Most people miss that in a new update, when you click on the microphone icon, you will see tiny one right next to it. Click on it. Tap on the next. Select Done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you want to. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you wanna enter some options, click on this icon on the left. And if you wish to go back to standard keyboard, use this one of a keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!